Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and predictions reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong biging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading sa aking friend, you can message po, no? Sa kanya pong FB page na Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, don't forget to follow. Okay? So, yeah, thank you. And yes, and kung may tanong rin po, no, dito sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet, this is always available. So, just message us if you want, no, na mag-order. Okay, this is available in red and black strings. Sinasamahan natin ng initial ng inyong name. Okay, and syempre, ito ang ating Evil Eye ring. So, sa mga ang tawag dyan, interested, just PM me sa akin pong FB page. Okay, this is adjustable. Wala po itong sukat-sukat. O, di ba? Okay. So, let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Anong message for you? Okay. What's this? The Page of Cups and the Two of Pentacles. Meron dito nagdadalawang isip na mag-open up pagdating sa emosyon niya. Younger, water sign. Okay, a younger water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I don't know bakit sila nagdadalawang isip. Okay. Mag-open, no? Ng kanilang emosyon. So, in general, that's all emotion. Okay, so ano pa? For you, air signs. There's the Eight of Cups in reverse. Yeah, and the Five of Pentacles. Meron talaga ditong energy na gustong may magbalik. Makipag-ayos. Some of you, in general, may mga masusolusyonan na problem. Okay? May travel na matutuloy ngayon. May mga travel na matutuloy or mga lakad or mga schedules na delay before. Okay? What else? Yeah, the Eight of Wands. This is action. This is movement. Okay? This is, some of you, an energy of travel. Okay? So, iba naman dito, this is an energy of a message coming. Okay? From a fire sign, water sign. Okay? Yeah. Woo! Two of Cups. An offer. Iba sa inyo, makakuha ng message pagdating sa partnership. Okay? Pagdating sa offer in general. Some of you makakuha ng message mula sa mga pinag-applyang trabaho. Okay? So, yeah, see? Iba sa inyo, talagang relasyon to na parating. Iba sa inyo, some of you nga, makakakuha ng karelasyon. Sabihin natin, kailangan nyo mag-travel, kailangan nyo lumayo. May offer na pwedeng mangyari or makuha kung may improvement or kung may gagawing action. In general po ha, dapat may action na gagawin para may makuha ka. Like that. Okay? So there. Okay, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ano ang message for you? I need to shuffle. Okay, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong message for you? The 8 of Cups. Lakad. May aalis. Okay. The 6 of Cups in reverse. Someone is sabihin nating iiyak. May iiyak. Or magdaramdam kasi may aalis. A water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Tingnan ko kung ano talaga to. Kung meron kang nilayuan or kung may lumayo sa'yo, okay? Sila yung parang nalulungkot. Sila yung nalulungkot sa ginawa nilang decision. Okay? Some of you, this is a past person. What else? Tell me more. For fire signs. The Tower in reverse. The Moon. Ang daming water sign dito. Fire sign. Ang daming water. Scorpio and Pisces is here. Someone is ignoring the truth. Or maybe someone. Or maybe you will ignore. Okay, the truth. I don't know. Iba sa inyo, parang sabihin natin magkakaroon ng sitwasyong magbubulag-bulagan, magbibingi-bingihan. Okay? What else? Iba sa inyo, don't ignore your dreams. May mga signs or may mga binibigay si universe na message. Pwedeng sa dream ninyo, sa panaginip ninyo, ipinapadaan. Okay? Oo, maging attentive. Attentive! Habang nananaginip, no? Attentive. Okay. Tingnan ninyo, oo. Alalahanin nyo kung ano yung napanaginipan ninyo last night. Okay? So, 2 of Pentacles in reverse, the 9 of Cups. Someone is living singlehood. Fire signs. Ha? Oo, meron ditong gini-give up na yung pagiging single. I don't know. I can't. Oo. My God. I'm seeing anong tawag dito? Ay. Nakakita kasi ako dito na parang ito specific specific ito, fire signs. Kung sino man yung may mga karelasyon ngayon or sabihin nating single, okay? Pero ready naman na magkaroon ng karelasyon. Kung sino man yan darating na yan para sa inyo, aayawan ng I don't know, aayawan ng angkan. Angkan? Oo, parang may ganyan. Parang hindi approve kay mother, kay father, ganyan. Kay kuya mo, kay ate mo. Hindi siya magiging hindi sila magiging approve kahit yung alaga mong aso. Hindi ko alam. Bakit ganun yung energy? Oo. Kaya sinasabi. Oo, kahit maging single ka na lang, wag lang siya. Ay, mga ganun. My God. I can't. Oo, yan The 9 of Pentacles. Oh, no. Some of you kasi pwedeng alam niyo yung instinct. Oo, instinct, lalo na ng nanay or tatay. Alam nila kung anong para sa sa anak. Mga ganon. Ay, ayoko dyan. Baka kasi pakaramdam ko, baka talagang pera lang habol sa'yo ng mga ganon. I don't know kung papaano mo yun mariresolve ba. Ay, okay, so, well, that's so specific. Sana wala namang ganun. Next, water signs. Okay, hi, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ano ang message for you? Ano ang message for you, water signs? Okay. Ten of Swords in reverse. Ano ba itong binabalik-balikan na ito? Oh. Iba sa inyo, may babalikan in general. May pagbabalik in general. Okay? May sisimulan. Pwedeng dati itinigil pero itutuloy. Like may continue na mangyayari. Okay? So, sana, pwedeng business ito. Pwedeng papasok ulit sa business yung iba sa inyo, water signs. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng, ang tawag dito, hindi naging maganda yung noon. So, ngayon parang sisimulan ulit. So, andun yung salitang sisimulan ulit. May sisimulan ulit ang mga water signs. Panibago. Yeah, starting fresh. Okay, so what else? The Devil. And the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you may bibilihin, may gagawin, something. Okay? This is something pricey. Medyo mahal. May kamahalan ito. Pero gusto mo tong gawin. And yeah. Someone is too responsible. Okay? Too responsible. Hindi irresponsible ha. Too much. Oo, masyadong responsable kung itong nakikita kong ito. I don't know kung anong ibig sabihin. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Parang dumadating na sa punto na parang pati sarili na papabayaan na. Kung ikaw yon, balansehin mo, okay? Maging patas ka rin sa sarili mo. Okay? So, wag masyadong nakakita ko dito someone is like workaholic. May mga ganyan. I need to work because I need to pay. Okay, may mga ganyang energy. What else? Water signs. Okay, the Queen of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo may babalikan na parang nakasanayan noon. Pwedeng natanggal yon pero babalikan uli. Hindi ko alam bakit. Okay, yeah. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Pwede kasing ang tawag dyan, gawa ng mga BI. Oo, minsan may nagko-comment. Ano po yung BI? Bad influence. Okay? Some of your friends, pwedeng ganyan, BI. Mga nakapaligid sa inyo. Sabi ko nga, pwedeng may mga babalikan kayo na mga gawain na pwedeng itinigil nyo na. Tapos, yun nga, babalikan nyo because buyo or ang tawag doon, parang sabi, no, gatong ng mga nakapaligid sa'yo. So, be careful. Okay? Yeah. The Five of Cups is here. Pwedeng itinigil mo yon dahil hindi naging maganda ang resulta. Ha? So, if ever, nagagawin mo yan, expect this. The Five of Cups. Okay? So, okay. I'm seeing here, another person in a relationship. Another. Okay. Ha? Third party. Mayroon ditong third party na mag-e-end. Yeah. I don't know why I'm whispering. Some of you, this is, ang tawag dyan, happening in the workplace. In the workplace. So, that's why I'm whispering. kailangan nakatago. Bulong-bulungan sa opisina. Okay. Okay. Oo, may mag-e-end na ganyan. Ha? Okay. So, okay. Next is Earth signs. Earth signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Messages, energy check-ins, and predictions? Earth signs. Anong meron? Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Three of Cups. The Page of Cups in reverse. Oh no, 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 no. May nahihiyang makipag-reconcile sa'yo. Someone na malayo. Someone na tinalikuran mo na. Okay? Meron kang friend na talagang na-attract sa'yo. They have emotions. Okay? What else? Meron ditong i-reject na paanyaya. Yes, may i-reject na paanyaya dito. Queen of Cups in reverse, the Ace of Cups. This is an energy of healing. An energy of, sabihin din natin na there's a new connection coming. Romantic connection. Okay? Pero you're like, you have this healthy boundaries na nakapaligid sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, you need to guard down. Okay? Guard down. Kasi this is something. Okay? Hindi ito nakaganyan. So, may chance magiging okay to. Maganda to. Okay? Someone is yun nga merong chance na gustong mag-open up ng kani-kanila, na emosyon. Okay? So, what else for you, Earth signs? Pasensya na po sa ingay pag naririnig nyo, ha? I don't know kung naririnig nyo. Yeah. Okay. Justice. And the Two of Wands. Progress. May mapaprocess. Okay, merong makakapasa, exam. Okay? Na ganyan. Something legal. May makakapasa. Yes. Some of you, meron ditong offer coming, pero pag-iisipan pa. Okay? So, yeah. Pwedeng regarding kaperahan. This is your energy. Okay? Kaperahan, stability nyo, or, yun nga, pwedeng sabihin nating responsibility. Okay? Responsibility. So, I think, pwedeng promotion. Okay? So, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng makakuha ng new love sa isang malayong lugar. Okay? Hindi ito sa mga lugar na napupuntahan nyo. And yes, yung iba dito, nakakita ko na may magma-migrate. Yeah. Migrate. Yes. I think in the near future. Nawa. Okay, sa mga gusto dyan, claim nyo to. This is nice. This is good energy. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. So yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow rin sa ating FB page. Thank you. Bye-bye.